what?
Welcome back! We're opening a new microwave! Since we
People
have
say microwaves are dangerous.
Yes, apparently. Cause cancer.
Radiation.
cause cancer.
Apparently so.
Cause cancer?
So we actually bought a set.
Yay!
Well, you bought the set.
I didn't know it was a set. I just picked whatever.
Right, can you put this away, please?
They're gonna rip
Why
that.
is it so big? So put your bag away.
How are we gonna...
So, go and put your bag in the
I don't think this is a set. It's not a set. It's only a microwave.
Is it?
But there's only a microwave inside.
So why is it saying?
That's just a picture.
Are you sure?
Ah, there's nothing else.
Why is it so big?
It's not a set.
What if it turns into it? Somehow.
And why does it show us that?
Probably from the other one.
What's the maker this? Boss?
So, how are you not playing with that?
Sarah, what's the... Give me that.
I'm playing with the ball.
No, not that one. Goodman. Is that it? Let me see what's inside. There's nothing. It's just that.
Now we can heat our food up properly.
Not really.
Baby doesn't have a microwave.
Why?
She didn't have it.
She's scared.
Radiation from the microwave. Yeah.
So that's it. I thought it was a set. I've been bamboozled.
Take the sticky off.
What's sticky?
There on the door. Or door now.
This.
There.
Huh? How much is this for? 49? 49 pounds. It's actually cheaper than the other one. What does it say in the box?
She's cut it. Turn it around.
You cut that.
It says 59. 59, but we only paid 49.
Yippee!
Save the tenner.
Yours.
Could be. So that's it,
Can
just.
we not set it here? No.
Yeah.